Hi, welcome to another one of my product reviews. This time I'm going to talk about this product, which is a Nivea leggings. I got the long version, there also exists a shorty version. I've found this in a magazine and I ordered these leggings at the Nivea online shop and it cost around 30 euros. Now you can get it at Müller, Bieper, DM, at many stores. But I got mine from the internet and I'm wearing it since 2 weeks, and the reason for that you will get to know soon. First, I'm going to tell you all you need to know about this product. So this is a product where Nivea and a textile expert named Tanatex work together. They put this Q10 enzyme, which is also in the human body and human skin, into the texture and the yarn of the leggings. They also integrated aloe vera and almond oil, and what it should do is every time you are moving, these Q10 capsules are released to the skin and the body. I got a few things out from the internet. First of all, let's see what Nivea and Tanatex are promising. It's also called the wearable skin effect. You have the soft compression technology of the texture and the fiber, and this skin-owned coenzyme Q10, the almond oil and the aloe vera. The more you wear it, the softer the skin gets, and with it there is also this fiber which shapes and firms your body. You can wear it at work or at home or when you are going to bed, also when you are doing sports. And there are things that I wanted to know, because when you are doing all these things you want to wash it. So is it damaged or not working anymore when you put it into the washing machine? Nivea said that it's no problem to wash the leggings and shorties. You can wash it 30 times and it will still work. For this video I'm already wearing my leggings. I'm wearing it since 2 weeks because the product should be 1-2 weeks to see results. So this is what I did for you. Now let's see what my experiences have been with these leggings. When I got the leggings, I took them out of the packing and they were also packed in this plastic bag. I don't know if it still is smelling, but yes, it does. It does not smell bad. It smells like Q10, almond oil and aloe vera. So if you know Nivea's Q10 line, like these things here, they smell actually pretty nice. And I did not expect that the leggings would smell the same way, but it did. And it's a little bit tight first when you are putting it on. My leggings is the size small to medium. There is also a large till X large version. Like I said, it's tight, but this is what Tanatex is known for. And yeah, it's the shaping and firming texture like it promises. Okay, I'm going to show you now how it looks like from here till here. Like I said, pretty tight, but it feels great when you're wearing it. Something that I've experienced is when I'm eating something, I can't eat as much as I'm used to, because this really pushes against your belly and you are feeling sick if you eat too much. So it's also a great way of dieting if you want to. You can't eat that much. This is something I was not used to, but I think it's a nice plus if you, like I said, are dieting and want to firm your skin at the same time and shape it. What did I experience beside that? I have no problems with doing sports while wearing this, or doing the house cleaning or garden work or whatever. Also with the 30 times washing, this is true, so it did not feel different than when I put it on the first time. And what did it do to my skin? Surprisingly, it really did what the back of this packing promised. But I'm just wearing it for 2 weeks now, so I'm really curious to see how my skin looks and feels after wearing it for a longer time. My skin feels softer. It's not as dry as it was before, which is great, and I did not put any lotions or anything like this on my skin while I've tried the leggings. So it's really just the leggings, and yeah, it really shapes the body, it firms the skin, and it makes it a lot softer, which is really great. So I would definitely recommend this. Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, because I like this product so much. This is really something great Nivea and Tanatex have developed. They did not send me anything for free or pay me for making this video. It's just something I found interesting and I wanted to, yeah, talk to you about. I wanted to try this and tell you my honest review. I think that's all, and I thank you very much for watching, and till the next time. Bye!